Today we're dealing with the rain, and it's not everywhere. I did want to show you this cool image of our Dallas Baptist University camera. You can see some of that lower cloud cover moving in, and it's all part of a cluster of thunderstorms. It's actually in southern North Texas. The southern half of North Texas is seeing this. So again, this is Interstate 20. There's Duncanville, there's Cedar Hill, there's Midlothian. You can see a little bit of that moderate to heavy rainfall. Mansfield also seeing it. Arlington, Kennedale, Burleson all seeing that. I'm going to show you the rest of the Metroplex because Denton, Collin County, completely dry, but Parker, Tarrant, and Dallas County seeing a little bit of that rain activity. The heavier rain is still working its way through Ellis County and through Navarro County. Over the last 30 minutes, this has significantly increased in intensity. It showed a really well-defined line. I was producing some gusty winds close to 40 miles per hour. We're not seeing that anymore. And I'm also seeing a lower lightning count, both good indications that this is kind of starting to chill out a little bit. It'll continue to do so as it continues to progress towards the east. But there is how it continues. If you're maybe heading towards 45 south of Corsicana, you'll likely run into some heavy rain. I'd say hold off on it for the next couple of hours. This continues to progress towards East Texas, and it happens between now. I'm going to stop the clock around 3 in the afternoon because I think we'll still see a little bit of shower activity anywhere from Dallas towards Navarro County, but the stronger storms will be in East Texas by the time 4 or 5 o'clock rolls around, and even then we're not expecting severe weather. The marginal risk is well to the south. North Texas is in the clear for that, the exception of a small sliver of Navarro and Henderson counties. There's a bigger coverage of rain, though, come Wednesday and Thursday, about 70%. That's all as an area of low pressure moves in from the northwest. Meanwhile, the severe weather outlook, very low. Marginal risk that includes portions of Ellis, Navarro, Kaufman County towards the south. If we were to see a strong storm on Wednesday, it's going to contain up to quarter-size hail, up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, but I'm not expecting it. More likely, we're going to see the moderate to heavy rainfall. So between Wednesday around 7 and noon, we'll see some of those pockets mainly along the southern half of North Texas. As the day progresses, you'll see those storms kind of expand in coverage, but again, not expecting severe weather. This doesn't have a great organization to it, which is good when we're talking about the wind and hail threat. Not so great when we're talking about the flood concern, and I'll show you that. On Thursday, that threat shifts more towards the southeast, same level 1 out of 5. And here we are going to see slightly better coverage of the rain throughout the day on Thursday. Even then, again, the severe weather threat is very minimal. We'll start to see a drying trend for the second half of Friday. Oh, I hope there we go. That map populates 2 to 3 inches of rain expected in the Metroplex. The more south you are, the more likely you are to encounter some of the heavier rain. We're looking at Navarro County towards the south, 3 to 4 inches, but Tarrant, Dallas, Collin, Denton, Rockwall County, we could pick up 2 to 3 inches of rain. Most of that happening Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday. Right now it's 80 degrees. We're going to see temperatures stay cooler than normal for this time of the year the rest of the week, thanks to the added rain and cloud cover. Father's Day weekend is looking a little drier, but I'm going to go ahead and keep still about a 20% chance of rain on Saturday, 10 on Sunday. Next week, drier, and that means the 90s are back. We'll be back.